What's your name?
My name is Michaela Abigail C. Assistant.
Where do you live?
I live in
Cagayan de Oro City.
Cagayan de Oro City.
Okay. What's the name of your mother?
Rachel, assistant.
How about your father?
Michael, assistant.
What grade are you now?
Kinder 2.
Oh, what school?
St. Teresa de Avila.
What's the name of your school? Elementary high school?
Diamond Evangelical School.
Ay, Diamond Evangelical School. What is the name of your teacher?
Teacher Alma.
Alma. What's the last name?
What's the name of your class?
It's only Teacher Alma I know.
Ah, okay. How about your crush? Do you have a crush in your school?
What?
Do you have a crush?
I don't have one.
You don't have one? Why?
You're not even big enough.
Ah, okay. That's right. How about what's the work of your father?
Army.
Army?
A soldier.
A soldier.
Okay. And what is your ambition in life?
What?
What is your ambition?
If you
What do you want? What do you
growing up,
want to be when you grow up?
You
A
want to be?
soldier like that.
Huh?
No, it's not.
That's
This
for
is
the
your-
boys
It's for
only.
the boys.
I want to be a doctor.
Doctor
Why? Why do you want to be a
or
doctor?
So I
doctor.
can help mommy when she's sick.
Ah, okay. Your mommy only? Maybe all the sick people. We should treat the sick people.
Ano, you know. Okay, good. That's enough.
Very good. And now you pass the exam. You will become a soldier now.
You mean a doctor?
Okay. I forgot. You're a doctor now. How do you want to manage your job as a doctor? Where is your clinic?
The hospital, I think.
You should have your own clinic.
Here in Iligan or in Cagayan, if you want to make a clinic, here in Iligan or in Cagayan de Oro? Yeah.
Very good. That's
Very
good.
Very good.
Because this is your native land. And this is
Because
where you were born.
You were born in Iligan.
Yes. You were born
You're
in
raised in Cagayan de Oro, but you were born here in Iligan.
at Sanitarium Hospital. Do you know where is Sanitarium Hospital?
No,
You don't know?
don't have an idea.
I have no idea.
You should have an idea.
I have no idea because I haven't been there before.
Oh, you've been there before when you was born.
But when you're born, you're not open your eyes. Yeah, it's a big breath.
Like the kanong that I got admitted for.
Oh, yeah. That is the reason. The miming is the reason why you are admitted. Because you play with the miming.
Yeah, I thought I wasn't allergic to the mimings anymore.
But you are. That's why you were.
Admitted.
Yeah. And is it okay or not?
Going to do it now. Ay, di. Marami dia. Oh, marami dia. Okay, right.
Is that all?
Yeah.
You should Okay, very good.
Ito?
I'm asking, is that all? That is her bow. Because she's a Japanese. Are you Japanese?
I mean, I'm Korean.
Korean?
Ah, Korean. That is how the Korean bow. Like that? It looks like a zombie.
Are you a zombie?
No.
How about the cemetery? A little ago, a while ago.
Did you see something in the cemetery?
There's a kind of, what do you call this?
Ano ba? Did you see? Did you see something in the cemetery?
Face paint.
No. How about another one? Did you see something? While we are there?
I see holes everywhere.
You see holes? There's no holes there.
There are.
Are you afraid of holes?
In the grave.
There's no holes. It's already covered.
I saw one.
So one? Where?
Didn't you remember the one that is just like this?
It's just a little... There, beside our place?
It's a little near.
The one that is in front of us? And a bit far? You know that already.
Did they take the body now?
Yes, there's nobody there.
Did they forgot to close it?
Yes. But there's nobody there.
Unless they labay it.
They're not labay it. They put it in a mass grave. Mass grave. Mass grave meaning they have so many bones there. The skeleton of the people were dead.
Human. Skeleton of the human. The grave under the...
Are you afraid? Are you scared of the mass grave? Are you pressured now? Are you pressured? Pressured. You are pressured. You are getting bored. I know. You are getting... I don't know.
I think I'm getting hungry. I'm getting
Older.
Ah, you're getting crazy. Are you crazy now?
It's feeling crazy.
You tell mommy, when will we go home? We'll go home there.
Hindi mo ito dinagman lang. Ang doon, gabag maingin tayong bauli. No.
Do you know what is that? Helmet for? Ay, okay, very good.
What is the purpose of this one? Purpose of this one, the ear is going inside, then the head of the people, the man is that's why the man who
So that the user can breathe.
If you close this one, the air inside this to
Kanat.
bangag. Then
Dapat siya yung pabisaya.
yung
Sila yung galing.
now this one is
Iya, pero Bisaya, iba English.
sing
It's for the air.
for the air. It's transformer. There is the air going inside.
Siya pabisaya. Kasi hindi videoan. Bisaya siya. Lisod siya.